Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we're doing a review of this guy over here. Um, we're gonna pump up the bikies tire here. You'll see it's deflated a bit. I did deflate it a bit. I'm not sure at what bar it is. We'll see now. But we're gonna pump it up to 3 bar using this guy over here. Hopefully it can get to 3 bar. I didn't check that. You will see that I've now connected it to the cigarette lighter over there. I've connected it over there. I will then take the pin and we shove it in there just like that. For the palio, to inflate it to the correct one, we will just use the battery, not the power, so that we can see how far it will take, how much battery it's gonna use. But the tire on the palio is not necessarily flat. It is more needing to be filled up to 2.2 bar. I think maybe it's about 1.8 or 2 bar, somewhere there. So let's go, guys. We already saw that over here we've got the torch, which has this light over here, the SOS light. And over here, okay, it's a power button here, just like that. It's on vehicle right now, and you can see I fully charged the battery since the unboxing, so the battery is fully charged over here. And I want us to take this guy to 3 bars. So luckily it can get to 3 bar. There it is over there. So let's put it in just like this, and then we close it up just like that. As you can see, my tire is quite low. It's at 0.85 bar, so we've got some pushing to go. So let's start it. Okay, guys, so you can I don't know if it's breaking up or what, but you can hear it starting to sound funny now at 2 bar. Okay, guys, so we like what, almost like 20 minutes in. We are at 2.45 bar. You did make some funny sounds here and there. I think now it's because it's hot, it's protection, maybe it's coming in, because it went off now at 2.45 bar. Not too far off. So I'm gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna get to 3 bar. So let me let it cool down a bit, and then we try again. Okay, guys, we're back. The machine auto turned off. It's still a bit warm, but we need to get this thing up. So it's at 2.34 now, so still at 3 bar. So let's go. Hey guys, so I don't think this thing is gonna get to 3 bar. Look at what it's doing now, and it's hot. It's heating up. It's not hot, but you can feel it's warm. So it needs to cool down. And the other thing that's happening is that it keeps shutting down. So I feel like it's getting too much back pressure for it. So let me just take it off here. Let's try to switch it off. It's misbehaving now. Okay. So okay, I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, if it will come up again, we'll go do Paleo's tire. But I'm gonna let it cool down because yeah, now it's misbehaving. So 4x4, but yeah, we'll conclude shortly. But for big tires like this, for buckies, suspect. But I've got Paleo arse pump over here, so I'm gonna just put this on and just fill up the power. I mean the tire to 3 bar. I have already done an unboxing of this one if you want it on the channel. So I'm just gonna fill this tire up to 3 bar using that. I think it only short 0.2 bar to get there, and yeah, should be sorted. Hey guys, but if we look at it guys, I think that pump actually got us to 3 bar, because you will see over here the bar is the blue in brackets, and we've got 1 bar there. 2 bar should be somewhere around there, and there you can see 3 bar, and you can see we are above 3 bar. So I think that pump got us there. I think it got us there, but it's still misbehaving there. Paleo R1 doesn't want to work. Yeah guys, I actually feel like this tire is actually at 3 bar based on the gauge here. Well, the gauge here, it was saying 2 point something bar, but I believe, yeah, I don't know, that one analog says 3 bar. But yeah, it is what it is. Let's go check what happens in the Paleo. But I think I broke this one, but it's still very hot. But yeah, I'll see. Hey guys, so I wasn't recording, but yeah, I got the Paleo Arse tire in there. I switched on the pump for about a minute before I realized the camera is not running. So the tire needs to be 2.2 bar. I'm only using the battery for the compressor. Like I said, it's back up. So let's see if it will get to 2.2 bar. Yeah, you see this one is finished. This one. Hey guys, so you saw me pumping up the Bakis tire, or trying to pump up the Bakis tire. We got like 90%, and you saw me pumping up the Paleo Ars tire as well from 0.9 till until it got done. It took plus minus, I would say, about 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes maybe, to pump up Paleo Ars tire. And then the buggy, that took a while, and then this guy had to switch off again. So it got me to about 2.8 bar on the digital meter here. But when I put the analog pump, that Paleo Ars pump in there, then it showed like it was over 3 bar. So I'm not sure about the accuracy of the pumping here, because same as the Paleo Ars tire, it stopped at about 2.25, I think, the pump. So I'm not sure about the accuracy, but it was able to pump up Palio R's tire. It was able to pump up the buggy's tire from 0 point something till about 2.8 bar with stops in between because it was overheating. I believe it was overheating protection until I also made it malfunction as you saw. So I don't think this is ideal for buggies. I don't think so. It will work. It did pump up my buggy tire, but I don't think it's an efficient pump for that. For the car, I think you can keep this as an emergency tool for your car because it will pump up. It did pump up Palio R's tire in less time than the buggy. So I think with the car, it will be a little bit more efficient. For buggies, it will work, but yeah, if you're gonna have to pump from empty till you get to where you need to, it's gonna take time. Unless if you're gonna pump it up just so that you can, what's this? Just so that you can get to a petrol station or something and then pump up there. But with a buggy, hey, this thing you're gonna put it, it's gonna be a bit tough. On a car, it's okay-ish, but I think this will be more ideal for like a bike. A bike because the bike's tire is a bit smaller than the cars and the buggies. I think this will be ideal for that. Of which is that's why I bought this. That's why I bought this one for my bike. So I think it will be ideal for the bike. For the car, I've got Palio RS1. I also use that one for the buggy, and that works ideal. It pumps up, takes a bit, but it's faster than this one, and it always pumps up to where I need it to pump. But yeah, guys, is this a good pump compressor? For me, I think it is for what I'm gonna use it for, guys. If you're gonna use it for a buggy, I think you might struggle. Let's not forget it also comes with a power bank that you can use. Even the light, guys. So this light is not necessarily very bright, but I feel like it's ideal for lighting up where you are working, that specific place that you are working to give you some light. But it's not like a torch that's bright and light up everything. It's just really for small little places. Like let's say you at night you're trying to pump up your tire, so you can just use this little light so that you can see what you're doing. I think it's ideal for that. But you have it again for your disposal. You can also do a flashing SOS over there. So I feel like it's a good compressor. It's a decent compressor. If not a good, it's a decent compressor that can work for you. But yeah, guys, that is my review of this pump over here. You saw it working. You will make up your own decision. But I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great and going for those goals of yours. Don't forget, keep it going, keep it moving. As for me, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.